how much should you actually spend on metal table legs? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, SMARTSDNDARD hairpin legs. First up, we have the SMARTSDNDARD 16 hairpin furniture legs priced at just $25.35. What caught my attention here is their heavy-duty solid steel construction. And honestly, if you're looking for sturdy DIY furniture support, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pre-drilled mounting bracket means you can set these up with ease, no complicated tools needed. And let's not forget about the rubber floor protectors. They keep your floors scratch-free, which we all want, right? Now, some people complained about the height being a bit short for certain applications. Here's the thing though, if you're working on a standard coffee table or desk, this height actually works really well and gives you that mid-century modern vibe you might be aiming for. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast wanting to create a stylish piece without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something taller for a dining table. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the height of the SMARTSDANDARD legs bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Mani Home hairpin legs. Next up, we have the Mani Home 4-pack hairpin table legs, which come in at $41.84. I was drawn to these mainly because of their upgraded design. If you need something that can really support a lot of weight, this is worth a serious look. These legs boast a remarkable load capacity of up to 1,300 pounds. The 3-rod design adds stability, which is crucial if you're crafting a solid table. Plus, the pre-drilled mounting plates make installation quick and straightforward. Just attach them to your tabletop and you're good to go. Now, some users have mentioned that the legs might be overkill for lighter projects. But here's the thing, if you're investing in a piece that you want to last, having that extra support is really a smart move. This is perfect for you if you're looking to build a robust coffee table or a workbench. Skip this one if you're only doing light work. When considering the price and the load capacity, it's a solid investment for your DIY needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more modern design. Product number 3, CHICURA heavy-duty legs. Moving on, let's talk about the CHICURA heavy-duty metal table legs priced at $171.99. I know that sounds steep, but hear me out. If you want a rock-solid base for larger projects, this is absolutely worth a serious look. These legs can support up to 1,000 pounds, which is fantastic for heavier tabletops like solid wood or live-edge slabs. The adjustable leveling feet are a huge plus, allowing you to eliminate any wobbling on uneven floors. And with a premium protective finish, these legs can withstand daily wear and tear, which is a big deal if you have kids or pets running around. Now, the price point is definitely a downside for some. But if you're serious about building a high-quality table that's going to last for years, the investment pays off. This is ideal for anyone looking to create a high-end dining table or workstation. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and just need something basic. When you factor in the durability and the design, it's a worthy choice. Now, if you're leaning towards a more budget-friendly option, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 4, TOCRE heavy-duty legs. Next up, we have the TOCRE metal table legs priced at $126.82. This caught my attention because it promises enhanced stability and ease of installation. If you want something that doesn't wobble, this is worth a serious look. These legs are designed with added metal plates to improve stability by 80%. They're built to last, and the rust-resistant finish means they'll look great for years to come. However, some may find the installation a bit tricky. But honestly, if you follow the provided instructions, it's really not a deal-breaker, especially for a sturdy design. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY projects but also want something reliable. Skip this if you need something ultra-simple that you can install in minutes. Considering the quality, I think the value is right on target. And if you're looking for something a bit taller for bar seating, the next product has got you covered. Product number 5, ALLCOS bar table legs. Finally, we have the ALLCOS 36-inch metal bar table legs at $126.82. The height is what really drew me in. If you need strong table legs for a bar height project, this is worth a serious look. These legs can support up to 800 pounds, making them a great choice for bar tables or high dining setups. The adjustable leveling pads are a fantastic feature as they help stabilize the table on uneven surfaces, which is a common issue with taller tables. The solid construction means you won't have to worry about any wobbling or instability. Now, some users have noted that the installation can be a bit complex due to the height. But honestly, if you're looking for a bar height table, a little extra effort in setup is worth it for the stability and design. This is perfect for you if you're crafting a unique bar table or need a sturdy desk. Skip this if you're looking for something for regular dining height. Given the quality and functionality, it's a solid investment for your home. So there you have it, 5 great options for metal table legs, each with their unique strengths. Whether you're looking for something sturdy like the Manny Home hairpin legs or a high-end choice like the CHICAURA heavy-duty legs, there's definitely something here for you. Just remember to consider your specific needs and budget before making a choice.